So aren't you bored of using the tools in the Photoshop and just designing the same stuff? So in today's video we are going to try something new, and my name is Yash and I am a graphic designer. So in today's video we would be doing pixels, we would be learning pixel stretch effect. So if you are new to the channel, a sub to the channel would be amazing. And now let's continue to my screen. So guys, we are here at my screen and now we will learn how to make pixel stretch effect. So let me import an image, and okay, this image is looking perfect. I have downloaded it from Bing, and you can simply search from for dance PNG images, and this is going perfect. Let me adjust the size and adjust the size according to your canvas, and just I'm adding a background gradient so that it the background will look good. And I have used this gradient earlier, so yeah, just continuing with this one because it is looking great. And now we will select rectangular select tool and just make a rectangular strip. Okay, let's control Z. It should not go in the background area, it should be on the only on the subject image only. And let us make a selection. Press Ctrl J if you are using Windows, or Command J if you are using Mac. So yeah, now the layer is selected, and just press Shift and Alt key and just drag it to this in the this the Alt key will drag it in the both direction, and Shift key is used to drag it only in the horizontal direction. And now again we will make some selection of the shoe part to give it a pink color as it is in the image also. And similarly just select the main subject image and press Ctrl J. It will copy that part to the another layer. And just same step, press Shift key plus Alt key and drag it like this in the horizontal direction, and just merge this two, just adjust it accordingly and merge these two layers. And now these layers are merged. And what we are going to do now is just we go to filter and distort. Okay, before going to filter we will select all and go to the image and crop to remove the background portion, because we are going to make a circle and the background part will also play a part in the circle if we are not going to crop that. So remember to crop the part. Okay, so now pressing Ctrl D to deselect, we have cropped the background part. And now we are going to the filter, distort, and polar coordinates. So polar coordinates will basically make it round. So yeah, pressing OK, and yeah, we are here with the image. And just take it um, behind the main subject layer and adjusting the image with the hands, and you will see this line here because they are joined when you use the polar coordinates. So you can use this effect in different ways. Now I am using in polar way, but you can also use in the flat way. You can use distort filter and try other parts also, uh, rather than polar coordinates. So just decreasing the size of the subject to adjust. Let me decrease the size of the subject, and yeah, it is working fine. And now this layer. Okay. mm, Making it little smaller. And a little more adjustment in accordance with the hands to give it an effect. And yeah, now it is properly adjusted. Now you can use simply layer mask and take your brush tool, adjust the size, and just remove this area. Okay, be careful with masking, don't do silly mistakes. Oh, it is getting, let me scale the size of the brush little bit smaller. Okay, okay, yeah. So now it is completely fine, and just just selecting both the layers and making it a little big. And what you can do now, you can simply add a blur to the background layer, or not a background layer, this circular pixel effect. You can add blur, just go and add a Gaussian blur. Okay, it is, adjust the blur, and yeah, it is giving a nice effect when you are adding a blur. And you can just also add drop shadow if you want, but for me it is going fine. So yeah, here is the pixel stretch effect. You can use it in different ways. Just go to the filters, uh, in the distort filter distort. You can try different, you can try 12. Let's try 12. Okay, I don't know how it is going to react. Yes, you can try different settings with that properly stretched part, and you will make different pixel stretch effect. So that's it for today's video. Hope you have enjoyed video. If you have enjoyed video, please make sure to hit a like. And if you are new to the channel, a sub would be amazing. And you can also follow me on different social media platforms. I'll give the link in description, or they are below on the screen. And you can also follow me on Behance, my design portfolio. I will scroll it down here, and you can also follow me there. Link is in the description. So yeah, that's it for today's video. Bye guys.